Removing multiple keys from a dictionary safely. I know how to remove an entry, key from my dictionary D, safely. You too. However, I need to remove multiple entries from a dictionary safely. I was thinking of defining the entries in a tuple, as I will need to do this more than once. However, I was wondering if there is a smarter way to do this.
Why not like this? A more compact version was provided by Matt Bornsky using dict.pop.
Using dict.pop.
Using dict comprehensions, where key 1 and key 2 are to be removed. In the example below, keys B and C are to be removed and it's kept in a keys list.
A solution is using map and filter functions. Python 2. Python 3. You get